First up, I have the day on May 2022. They coming out movie, Peter's Daisy. What about you? What about it, Daisy? Well, I gotta see animals, I gotta get Edible Planet, I got Type Machine, I gotta see you, I gotta go powerful. Yeah, you know how see you again, the good news about it, because we're falling, as I say. You're right, Bert? Forget it. By the way, what is it gonna have to stop her to Spinosaurus? I gotta inspire her. She is Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus, who? Like what? Ah! Dip bucket. And action. You're going down, dinosaur boy. You're going down, dinosaur boy. See that? Don't start calling me dinosaur boy. You're silly. Okay, just try it again. You're going down, dinosaur boy. Seriously, why are you just laughing at me? You're safe. Ooh, you're the crazy gonna say. I'm out of here. Are you calling me dinosaur boy? And action. What? And action. What? Hey, get off of me. Give me that, Birdie. You're going down. Good idea. No. Get off of me. Heck no. You're dead. Yeah, it is. Go again. What? I've been asking you, his I got to are you dead? What? Are you safe? Of course they are. Oh, what, you little shove. I'm sorry. It'll be fight. You got to go on here fight. It's a clause. Oh, I know. I got you, see? And then help. Oh, I guess go there. Okay, one more time. Dino. Get your face but off of me. What did you say? I said get your face but off of me. Oh yeah, you can't heck on the face of your butt. What? Hey, get off of me. You don't heck on see your face. Get off of me.